Well, I think in general, although there are obviously some differences with regard to, the mutation and, when the seizures start, when I talk to people about these conditions like Dravet syndrome and Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, there are a family of conditions that are called epileptic encephalopathies. And the way I think about that is imagine what it would be like to care for a child that has epilepsy, Down syndrome, and muscular dystrophy all in one. And that gives you the picture of the severity of these conditions because it's not just the seizures and the epilepsy. These children and patients also have movement disorders, and parents will oftentimes tell you about the neurodevelopmental aspects as well. They usually have poor neurodevelopmental outcome from a behavioral, emotion, and cognition perspective as well. And that can sometimes be just as challenging for the families to deal with as the seizures. So they're really difficult conditions, not only for the patients who have significant morbidity and long-term poor outcomes, but also from the standpoint of the caregivers. We know from the data that we've collected and the research that we've done since we've been involved with this, that the effects really are far-reaching, not just for the primary caregiver, but also for the siblings as well. So they're challenging conditions. They're very refractory to treatment traditionally, and there certainly is a high unmet need for effective treatments.